Amazfit, a leading global smart wearables technology brand owned by Zepp Health, a health technology company, has announced the launch of its latest product, the Amazfit GTR Mini, in India. The smartwatch features a stainless steel frame, 120 plus sports modes, 24/7 heart rate, SpO2, and advanced health monitoring features. It is also equipped with 5 satellite positioning systems and boasts a battery life of up to 14 days, making it a reliable companion for people on the go. Amazfit GTR Mini is set to make a grand debut at Rs 10,999 exclusively on Amazon India. Offering a range of exciting features and functionalities, this stylish smartwatch is available in 3 captivating colors: midnight black, misty pink, and ocean blue. At Amazfit, we are committed to innovation and excellence in wearable technology. The launch of the Amazfit GTR Mini is a testament to our dedication to providing our customers with cutting-edge products that meet their needs. We believe that technology should seamlessly integrate into every aspect of our lives, from fitness to fashion. The Amazfit GTR Mini represents this vision perfectly, a smartwatch that blends sleek design with cutting-edge features, empowering users to track their fitness goals and stay connected on the go, said the Amazfit spokesperson. The smartwatch features a compact design and supports a 1.28-inch circular display. The AMOLED display has an HD resolution and curved glass protection. The Amazfit GTR Mini is a powerful smartwatch that is powered by Zepp OS 2.0 and a dual-core Huangshan 2S chip. The watch can conserve battery power for up to 14 days at a time with typical usage, or even up to 20 days on battery saver mode. Its long battery life makes it a perfect choice for anyone who needs a reliable and efficient smartwatch, the company claims. The Amazfit GTR Mini has over 120 sports modes and smart recognition, making it a perfect companion for any workout. The watch can track data for over 120 different sports, and users can get a post-workout report when they are done. The watch is also 5 ATM water resistant, meaning it can withstand the equivalent of up to 50 meters of water pressure, making it perfect for swimming. Moreover, the watch features ExerSense, which allows smart recognition of 7 exercises types, including outdoor running, outdoor cycling, and more, to keep your workouts seamless and focused. The Amazfit GTR Mini allows users to share their workout data with various fitness communities and smartphone apps, including Strava, Relive, Adidas Running, Apple Health, and Google Fit. This feature allows users to connect with others, compare their progress, and receive additional support and motivation for their fitness journey, the company noted.